Hey guys, welcome to this free Snapchat ads course. Okay, so in this free beginners guide, we will going to teach you how what Snapchat is and how Snapchat ads work. Okay, we will teach you how you guys can set up the Snapchat account, and also we will going to teach you how you guys can set up some campaigns like traffic campaign, lead generation campaigns, which are very much important. And along with that, we will also going to give you a lot of idea about the Snapchat, how it works. Okay, so basically there are lots of things to teach you inside this course, and we will also going to use some tools like chat gpt. Okay, that will also going to help you a lot in your Snapchat ads as well. We will also going to use tools like Canva so that we can design our graphics, which is also very much important to show to our customers. Okay, so how you guys will going to create the graphics, how this will going to help you, and what help we will going to take from chat gpt as well for the Snapchat ads. Each and everything we will going to cover inside this course, so make sure you watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you out. Okay, hey guys, before we start with Snapchat ads and how to set up the account, I just want to teach you guys one very important thing, which is about landing page. Okay, so when you will going to create your Snapchat campaigns later on, so at that time you guys will going to see that Snapchat will going to ask us about the website URL. So basically after someone will going to click on your advertisement, so Snapchat will going to ask where you want to send that person, right? So that's why it's very much important for us to basically create one website or a landing page so that we can send the traffic from Snapchat to our landing page or a website URL. So I guess in case if you already have, so no problem, but in case if you guys don't have, so what I will going to suggest you guys is to just go and search for KuKu courses. Okay, so KuKu courses is one of our website, and in this website we will going to provide you our free landing page course which you guys can take. Okay, so you can just visit to this KuKu courses website. From here you guys can just click on this website, and after you will going to click on the website, it will verify that you are a human. Okay, so just verify, and after you will going to verify it, now just wait for the website to load. Then you just have to scroll at very bottom. Okay, so just go and scroll at very bottom, and here you guys will going to see the option of a free courses. So click on this free courses. Okay, and after you guys will going to click on this free courses, it will take you guys to the free courses we have in our website. Okay, so you can see lots of amazing free courses we have, like LinkedIn ads free course, Pinterest marketing free course, Microsoft ads free course, and many more. Okay, so here you can just search for landing pages, click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see this particular course which we have here is the create landing pages for ads and affiliate marketing. So you just have to click on this particular course. Okay, it's totally free course for you guys, so you can just click on this course, and after you guys will going to click on this course, so you can see it's totally free course, totally 3 hours course for you guys to learn. Okay, so you can just simply click on this start learning button, and after you will going to click on the start learning button, by the way, you do not have to do any kind of sign up, you don't have to pay anything. It's totally free course for you for lifetime, right? So you guys do not have to worry about anything. So you guys can see that you have come here. Okay, to this course. So here you guys can see that it's very much important whether you are using, let's say, Meta ads, Google ads, Snapchat ad, or any kind of ads platform. In our case we are going with the Snapchat ads, right? So when you want to send the traffic from Snapchat ads, okay, remember that people will come here, or they will click on your ad. So from Snapchat ads you will going to send the traffic to your landing page. Okay, and not only that, we will also going to teach you how you guys can create thank you page. So it's also a very good strategy for tracking purposes. Okay, but for now one landing page is very much important. Okay, so here you guys can see that this is the course which we have designed. We have designed with two methods. One is through WordPress. That means you can create landing pages with two methods, either using WordPress, okay, or using Pipeline Pro. Okay, so I will going to suggest you guys to watch this complete 3 hours course. Okay, just don't do anything, just watch. Okay, and after you will going to completely watch this complete course, then you can decide whether you are feeling more comfortable with the WordPress or Pipeline Pro. But you have to use either WordPress or Pipeline Pro. Only one you can use. Okay, do not use both one to create landing page. Just go and expertise yourself in any one of the platform. So basically using this free course which we have provided you right now, you guys can create one professional looking landing pages. Now in case if you don't know what is landing pages, so let me just show you with one example. Okay, so for example that this is this is our landing page, temporary landing page. And this landing page we have also taught you guys how you guys can create, okay, in this WordPress one. But the concept here of landing page is that in landing page you guys just show a lot of information about whatever you are promoting. Okay, for example, if you are promoting some kind of a gadget or some kind of your service, so for your service you can just show in more detail, because you guys can see that in the ads we don't have option to tell our customers about our product or service in very detail. So that's why we use landing page. So in landing page we provide everything in more detail, like what we are offering, what's the price of it, what benefits they will get. They can also watch the tutorial how your product and service will going to work. So that's the benefit of the landing page. So that's why a landing page is very much important, and that's why I suggest you guys to have one landing page. In case if you already have, no problem. In case if you don't have, so I prefer you guys to create one landing page before you guys can proceed with the Snapchat ads. Okay, so this is what the free course I just wanted to provide you. So make sure you just take the advantage of this free course. Okay, and make sure you have landing page before you can proceed with the Snapchat ads. And just start with the Snapchat ads setup account. Okay, so basically you can just search for Snapchat ads on Google, okay, or whatever browser you are using. So then you will going to see this link for business.snapchat.com. Click on this Snapchat for business, Snapchat ads. Okay, so here when you will going to click here, so you can see that basically Snapchat has around 13 to 34 years old audience in 20 plus countries. Okay, they are using. So basically approx 13 to 34 years of audience okay. You will basically going to get in the Pinterest. Okay, so you can see 75% of 13 to 34 years audience you will going to get in Snapchat. So let's create the account and setup. So you can just click on create an ad option from here. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. So you can see this is how the interface will going to look like. You can just put your name. For example, I can put the first name, last name, your email ID, your username. You can just put here. Okay, whatever username you want to put, you can just put your password as well. Okay, so that is what I just want to teach you over here. Then you can also set your birthday date as well. Okay, And after you will going to do this, you can even put your business username as well, business name as well. Okay, so just click on sign up and create, and then click on start puzzle. Okay, so you just have to solve it so that the system verifies that we are human. Awesome. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, I guess. Okay, username is already taken. I can just put something else, maybe 23. Okay. Okay, let's put this one. Click on sign up and accept. Start puzzle. Let's see. Okay, it's redirecting now. Let's wait. So you can see welcome to ads manager. Okay, and easily set up and optimize your campaign. Okay, so we can just put a legal name. Okay, then just click on the, you can also click on the skip ad creation button, by the way. Okay, then you can also put different username. Okay, you can even set up the profile as well. For example, let me just take some dummy profile like this. Okay, create public profile. Okay, so basically using that only we will going to show our advertisement. So let's wait. And after that you can just do one more thing. You can again just search for Snapchat ads, click on enter button, just go to this URL again, by the way. Again you can just do login, just for an example. If we can see, if we can just log into the Snapchat ads manager. So after it will take you here. So from here you will going to get two options. By the way, from here also you can just manage your ads and everything. You can even create the ad instantly, but I will not going to suggest you guys if you are totally beginners. So then only go with this option, otherwise you have to always go with the advanced option, because these advanced options give us complete control. Like you can see, you guys can take the complete control of your campaigns. You can create multiple ad sets, you can just do more in-depth targeting. So there are plenty of amazing things, but in the instant create option you will not going to get so much option, but still let's try it. So just click on instant create, and let's say we want website visit, just for an example. Okay, and where you want to send traffic. So for example, you can just send the traffic to the landing page. Okay, so I have told you guys in the previous lecture about how to create landing page, okay, for the Snapchat ads. Okay, so I will just going to put the landing page. In my case I have this dummy landing page. Suppose this is my landing page. Okay, so I will just going to put the landing page URL over here. So basically wherever you want to send traffic you can just put here. You can even choose the my brand on Snapchat, and plenty of options. Okay, but let's just go with the very basics. Okay, you can also tick mark this option. So whatever images you will going to have in your landing page, it will automatically going to take the image. Click on the next button. You just have to upload some photos. Okay, so for example I can just put some dummy photos, crop image. awesome, like this. Okay, then you can just put your business name here. Then you can just put the headline. Okay, so whatever you want, for example, best lifestyle course is something like this. Call to action you can just select. So you can see whatever you will going to put over here, everything will going to show up here. For example, the name of business is showing up here, and if you will going to see here carefully, best lifestyle courses is showing here because I have written this in the left side. Okay, and similarly if I will select to, let's say, learn more, maybe if I get option, okay, let's say if I put sign up, so you will see the button will change to the sign up option. So you can just put the image type like this. Okay, there are plenty of options format, and after you will going to do this, you just have to click on the next button. Click on the next button, and then you just have to select where you want to show your advertisement, like location targeting. Okay, we will going to talk about that. So here you can just choose the location. Okay, and you can even choose the demographics. By the way, do not worry, we will going to step by step guide you in very detail about all these settings, but just for a quick setup we are just doing this. Okay, and after you do this, just click on the publish campaign. Okay, so after you will going to have your campaigns published, your campaigns will start going to run. Okay, and by the way, all your campaigns you can see here, just click on this manage ads, and in this place you guys will basically going to see all the campaigns which you will going to create in your Snapchat account. That's it. Okay, but of course we will going to talk about all these options we have in the Snapchat ads regarding pixels, audience, event manager, how to use all this stuff. Okay, so we will going to cover majority of the topics. Okay, but make sure that whenever you try to set up your Snapchat account, you just go to the billings and payments, and from this billing and payment, make sure you guys just add the payment details, your credit card details. Okay, so here you guys can see, you can just click on this new payment method. You can just go with credit. You can just put the credit in your Snapchat account. Even you can set the prepay as well, right? But if you choose the apply for credit, so you can just put all your payment details, every of the details here, and then you can just fund your accounts. Okay, so I guess somehow that's simple. So that's it about the Snapchat ads, and this is how we can just set up the Snapchat ads very simple and quickly. Okay, like this. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds until the campaigns show up here. Okay, hey guys, so one more thing before we actually start with the Snapchat ad, and hope you guys have for now, set up your Snapchat account. It looks very simple and easy to use, by the way. Okay, so the time when I'm recording this is how the interface looks like, but in future it may change little bit, but the concept which I will try to explain you will be 100% same. Okay, now I just want to make you something clear. Okay, for example, maybe you're watching from our website, or maybe some platforms like Udemy, or some platform like Read, Tutorials Point, or any platform. Okay, so if you will notice, for example, if you just take the example of Udemy, so Udemy free course policy. Okay, so if you will going to see here, okay, so you guys can see that the free courses is only allowed not more than 2 hours. That means the Snapchat concept, you guys know that this Snapchat is a very big platform, and there are many features about Snapchat ads like event manager, audience pixels, what are remarketing campaigns, how to set up different types of campaigns. You all know that we have different types of campaigns over here. So basically for all these things, it's not possible for us to teach everything inside this course under 2 hours, right? So I will going to provide you with one strategy. Using that strategy, using that robot, or I can say AI, you can take the help of Snapchat ads, and it will really going to help you. Okay, so we are just talking about one tool that is very popular. You might have heard about that. That is Chat GPT. Okay, so Chat GPT is a powerful AI chatbot. So you guys can see it's totally free for everyone to use. It's generally a chatbot. You can just talk, hi, how are you, buddy? Okay, like this, and after you will click on enter button. So you can see that it will just going to give you the response. So basically I just want to say you that in this free course it's not possible for me to explain you a lot many things about Snapchat ads. So you may want to know more about the Snapchat ads, like let's say you want to know about pixels in case, okay, in very in depth. Okay, so you can ask to this uh, Chat GPT. Okay, so that's for that purpose I'm just trying to teach you, and I will going to teach you how you guys can take the help of Chat GPT right now. Okay, but in case if you have not heard about Chat GPT ever before, so what I will going to do is that I can also provide you with one of the free course. Okay, so you can again just search for KuKu courses, click on enter button, just go to our website again, and after you will go to our website again, just scroll at very bottom, just click on this free courses. So I'm basically providing you with one of the free courses. Okay, and from here you guys can just search for Open AI, click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see here we have this course, Open AI Guide, Prompt Engineering, Chat GPT, Tally. Okay, so just click on this course. So basically inside this course we will going to teach you about OpenAI. So if you are the person who don't even know OpenAI, so basically OpenAI is a company that has created ChatGPT. Okay, so basically inside this course we will going to step by step guide you everything, like how you can set up uh, ChatGPT account, OpenAI account, and how you can use ChatGPT. And along with that you will also going to get lot many knowledge about this AI tool, which is very much important if you are even going with the Snapchat ads, because in this digital world it's very much important for us to understand these concepts, right? So for that it's very much important, and I highly suggest you guys to watch this free course, totally 2 hours free course. Okay, and you will really going to learn a lot of things. So basically inside this course only we have taught amazing way how you guys can use Chat GPT in more professional way. By the way, you guys can click on the start learning button to learn about Chat GPT and understand how it works. Okay, so that is what I just want to teach you over here. So make sure you just watch all the lectures step by step, just to gain some extra knowledge. And if you have this knowledge, you can just do and use Chat GPT in more professional way. By the way, let me just teach you guys how it works. Just click here on the new chat, and here you guys can say like this, hi, you are expert in Snapchat ads, your job is to help me with all the questions I have regarding Snapchat ads, question mark. Okay, or you can say full stop. Are you ready to help me, question mark? And then you guys can simply click on the enter button, and you guys can see that of course now it's responding you. Of course now it will basically going to help you out, and it will just going to ask you how you want to need support. Okay, so let's say in case if you want to know about anything about Snapchat ads. For example, you want to know what is pixels in Snapchat ads. Okay, so you can just ask to ChatGPT itself like this. Can you tell me what is Snapchat ads? Sorry, what is pixels in Snapchat ads? Explain me in detail. Okay, explain me in easiest way and in detail. Include example, or you can say include real life example if possible. Okay, click on enter button, and now you guys can see that it will just try to teach you guys about pixels. Okay, it will just try to make you guys understand about this topic in the very easiest way. Even what you guys can do, you can just click on this pencil button, and you can see you can just write here something like this: explain me like you are teaching to 5 years old kid. Now click on save and submit. So now you guys can see it will just try to explain you in a very simplest way. So if you just try to read the response, you will find it very much easy. For example, sure, think of pixel is Snapchat, think of a pixel in Snapchat ads is like a tiny invisible spy that helps Snapchat understand what people do after they see your ad. Okay, so it's like a little helper that tells Snapchat if someone's buys something from your ad, signups for the newsletter or any other thing. So basically you can see it's trying to explain you things in the very simplest way. So it might be possible that in this course I just try to create some ad maybe or do something, and if you don't understand that, okay, so you can ask to chat gpt about that thing which you're not understanding. Okay, because this is a complete free course, because this is a complete free course, and there will be lots of students who might have questions, so it's not possible for us to offer the premium support where we have lots of students, right? So for that reason I just told you about ChatGPT. By the way, you can also take the help of Snapchat itself with their support team. Okay, so you can just contact to the support team from bottom, and they can also help you out in case if you face any kind of a technical support, or even if you want something help with the marketing, they will better going to guide you as well. But for the immediate support, you guys can also take the help of ChatGPT itself. Okay, now guys, you guys can learn about ads. That means you guys know that if we just go and create any type of campaign, so we require some ads. Okay, so these ad are like this. Okay, so you can design this ad. Okay, so you can just upload your any of the ad. For example, this is one ad which we have created, so also you guys can design this ad. Okay, by the way, you can just take the help of chat gpt itself, and you can ask, hey, what are the ad formats available for Snapchat ads? Okay, so you guys can see it gives you various types. Okay, so you guys can see, you can just understand about this, and you can also mention uh, include size formats as well. Click on save and continue. So you guys can see Snapchat ads are basically in 1080 into 120 pixels. Okay, aspect ratio is around 9:16, which you guys can use for story. Also it's same, for collection ads also it's same. Okay, Rest there are other types as well, but we do not require that. Okay, so basically story ads are, you can click on here in the story ads. Okay, similarly we have the collection sets as well. You can just create the collection ad as well, right? But generally speaking, people use the single image or video and it always works. Okay, so we will stick with the single image or video. So basically if you just go ahead and just google it up, Snapchat ads. Okay, let's click on the images. So I just want to show you how the ads looks like. Okay, so for example here you guys can see we have this image. So here you guys can see that people have put their video or images. Okay, and in the video images they have, you know, this type of buttons like shop now. Okay, so you can also create this type of videos or images and then you can just add this shop now button. It can be any other as well. We will going to teach you how you guys can create ads, but you have to make sure that you should have this creative before you just proceed further and create your campaigns in this in the Snapchat ads. Okay, so people can click on this button and then they can just go to the landing page or the website of yours, right? So it's very much important to have the you know, creatives available so that you can use that inside your campaign. Okay, so now guys, let's create the ad. Okay, so as we have mentioned that there are various ad types, but whatever you're creating, a snap, story or whatever, this is the site for this is the size for the Snapchat ads. So for that, what we can do is that we can use one free tool called as Canva. Just search for Canva, just go to this particular first URL. Okay, and from here you guys can just click on create a design and you can just choose custom size, and ChatGPT is saying it's 1080. I will just paste it here. 190, copy this and paste it in the height. Let's click on create new design. Okay, so after you will going to click on create new design, so you can see that we have got this small blank. Okay, so here we guys can just design anything. Okay, so even you can just search for design maybe. Okay, for example if you're, let's say, trying to promote anything. Okay, for example let's say you are just trying to promote any of the service, so you can just use this template. For example let's say I can select this one. Okay, and you guys can see we have got this over here. Okay, so you guys can see that we have this over here. If you want, you can just increase this as well. Okay, so you can totally customize it, for example like this. Okay, you can even create, you know, something from, you know, scratch as well. Okay, like this. You can just even increase the size as well like this. Okay, you can just put the diagram at bottom. Okay, like this. Okay, and you can just explain about your service, that what service you are trying to promote. You can just put that in very, you know, in depth as well, right? So that's how you guys can do that. Okay, even you can use some, you know, other templates as well. For example, you can just, okay, so this is a pro version. Okay, so you can only choose, let's say, free one. So let's just go ahead and choose some free templates. Let's take this one. Okay, so this is also looking very great. Okay, so you you guys can see here, you can even you know, take the help of ChatGPT as well to design your graphics as well. So for example, let's take only with the food delivery service. So you can just put like this, that we have this food delivery service. Instead if it's not your logo, you can just put, let's say we have, let's say, example food. Example is the name of our brand. Just, okay, you can put your username ID, you can basically just do a lot of things. Okay, so that's how you guys can create your ad. You can even just go to elements and you can just search here about something. Okay, like you guys can search for, let's say, food, and you guys can even add the food here. Okay, even you can create something from scratch as well. For example, let's take some free one. For example, we can put this one, and if you are trying to promote your pizza services, okay, so you can also do that. By the way, from here you can put something like this. I can just go to text, I can take this headline, and I can say that get your pizza today, something like, this. Okay, get your pizza today. Okay, and you can just do lot many things. For example, let's make it to yellow color, let's make it to bold. Okay, like that. Okay, so in this way you guys can do. Even you can just add something stuff. For example, you can just take some arrows to make your look very beautiful. Okay, so you can just add this type of graphics as well. And okay, let's take some another color. Let's take this one. Okay, what I can do is that I can, let's say, search for order. Okay, all these buttons are here. Many of them are paid. I can also use this scooter as well. Looks very great, by the way. Okay, like this. Let's try to make this in white color and see how it looks. Okay, white is looking more better. Okay, and now I can see if I can get any order now. Okay, by the way, you can also create your own button. By the way, like you can just go to elements, just take any of the shape from here, and you can just say like this. Let me just put it over here, and you can say increase it. So it's very simple to use Canva. By the way, you guys can just put here this one, and you can just add one more text. You can just go here, just take this headline, and you can just write here order now. Okay, and put it here. Okay, so I can just select that and I can change the color to white. So you guys can see that's how it's looking. And now I can just take this arrow here, I can make it a little bit small like this. Okay, so I can just provide this animation effect. By the way, I can just make it to forward, right click, layer, and bring it to very front. So this is how the animation is looking. So that's how you guys can even create your own graphics. You use your creativity and you guys can create it. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay, so you can just download any one of the template. For example, you can just click on this download button, and this is the page 2. So I will just going to download the page 2. I will select the page 2, then click on the download button, and let's wait for the creatives to get downloaded. So basically Canva is a totally free tool. It's not totally free. You can also buy their premium plan. Okay, so you will going to get more pro templates. Like here you guys can see, if I just search for something, so you guys can see this is available in pro version. Okay, so you guys can just take that. By the way, we also have one complete course on Canva as well. Let me just show you guys. Okay, just go to our website. So basically the thing is that you just have to have one creative. This creative we will going to use in our Snapchat campaigns. Okay, just go to courses and just search for Canva, click on enter, and then you guys will going to see we have Canva course of 9 hours. So basically in this course you will learn how to use complete Canva from starting to end. Okay, so let's not go there, okay, by the way. But in this way you guys can use the Canva and you can just create your creatives. Okay, that's it. So this creative we will going to use in our Snapchat ad. We will going to upload this in our Snapchat ads. Okay, so now guys, let's start to create campaigns. It's very simple to create campaigns in Snapchat ads. So from the top you just have to click on the create ads option, click on advanced option. Okay, so you can just take the complete control. Do not go with the instant create, you will not going to have lots of control. Okay, I will select always the second option, and from here you guys can select the appropriate option. For example, if you want to go with the traffic campaign, you can select that. So using this campaign you guys can send traffic to your website. Okay, and in case if you don't know about this type of objective, even you can just go and learn more about this one over here, or you can even ask to chat gpt, hey, what is, uh, you can say drive traffic to website, drive traffic to website objective. Okay, explain me how it works in Snapchat ads. Okay, so basically you can just see chat gpt will explain you in more detail, but let's not go here. It's very basic that if you have one website or a landing page, like we have here one, landing page, and we want to send traffic to this landing page, so we can select this option. Okay, so after you will select this, you can just set your campaign name whatever you want. For example, I can just name it traffic campaign. Okay, offer, what we are trying to promote, let's say pizza campaign. Okay, so I can just write here pizza offer. So according to whatever you do, you can just name the campaign. Then from the bottom you guys can click on the next button. Rest you do not have to do many things here. And in the ad set, what you have to do is that you have to do targeting. Okay, so you can just say like ad set 1 for pizza. Okay, so basically if you just search here Snapchat ads structure, so it will be always on the basis of campaigns. That means in Snapchat you guys can create unlimited campaigns. Inside campaigns you guys can create unlimited ad set, and inside any ad set you guys can create unlimited ads. So campaign which we have decided, so our campaign is of traffic campaign. Okay, and then our ad set, we are just creating the ad set now. So ad set basically will going to help you to do targeting. Okay, so from here you guys can set the budget you want to spend. Right now I have created the account in Indian currency, so the rupees is showing Indian currency. Okay, so you can just select on the basis of the currency you want to set, but you can even increase it to, let's say, 80. For example, I want to spend, let's say, $1, so I can say $1 in INR, in Indian currency. It's approx 82 rupees. Okay, 82 is equals to $1, so I can spend, let's say, $1 here. Okay, per day. And then you don't have to do here anything. Okay, make sure the base should be by default selected to the recommended. Okay, then we just have to set the location over here. Okay, so which location you want to target. So for example, let's say if you just see here United States map, So for example, you guys can see we have lot many different states in United States. For example, let's say I want to target to complete United States, or let's say I want to target to, let's say, United States. Okay, so I can just completely target to United States. And for example, I also want to target to, let's say, India, so I can also select to India. So now my ads will going to show to both person India and United States. Even you can just do more deep targeting. For example, you can target to any specific area. For example, in United States we have different states. So for example, I only want to show my advertisement to Texas, so I can just go here and I can select Texas. So you can see I can also target to Texas state particularly. Okay, but let's not do here. Let me just choose to India just for an example. Okay, then you guys can choose this age, which age group you want to target from here. So it all based on your business. Okay, it always based on your business. For example, we are targeting to pizzas are basically loved by age group of I guess 16 to age group of even 40 above. Okay, so I can just say set to 45. Okay, because pizza is basically loved by this age group, so I can select this option. You can target to some specific genders as well, language as well. Okay, you can also define the category for which option you want to go with. Okay, so for example, I want related to foodies. Okay, because pizza is my option, so I can just go inside the foodies, and inside foodies I can select, let's say, pizza lovers, people who love pizza. I want to show my advertisement to them, so I will select the appropriate audience here. If you don't find your appropriate audience, try to select the very close audience. That's it, and you have to make sure you tick mark this. Then operating system also you guys can choose, like Android, iOS and all. Okay, that's it, and just go to the next button, and from the next button you guys can create the ad. So for example, I can just write here ad, so I can just write ad for pizza. Okay, and here I can just write my brand name. My brand name was, let's say, pizza lovers. Let's say pizza lovers. Okay, I can also set the headline. Okay, even you can design the headline. You can see you require headline. Okay, for that. Okay, so you can just ask to ChatGPT itself, hey, craft eye catchy headline for my Snapchat ads. My business is about pizza. Okay, you can just explain your business to ChatGPT in more detail, but you can see I have got this one. I can just copy this and I can paste it over here. Okay, okay, so what I can see, I can only get 34 characters, so I can say here to ChatGPT less than 35 characters. Okay, I can just click on save and continue. Slice into happiness, something like this I can put. Okay, so you guys can see it's looking very amazing. Now I can just upload the media which we have created using Canva. Okay, so you can just upload that. Awesome, like this. So you can see this is the ad, so people can see this ad when they will click on, let's say, more button, or you can just select here to any of the appropriate option. For example, I can say order now, so when they will click on order now, they can go to the landing page. So here you guys can see that in website URL you guys have to provide your website URL or landing page. So make sure your landing page should be related to the ad which you are creating. So for example, this is the landing page I have. So suppose this is the, or imagine that this is the landing page I have created for pizza. So you just have to paste your landing page for the pizza, okay? And so that people, after they will click on order now button, they can just go to your website. There they will see all the details about pizza and order now button, where they can put their address where they want to order. All that thing should be visible in your website or a landing page. Just provide the link here, and that's it. After you do that, just click on review and publish it. Your campaigns will start going to go to the review. Snapchat will review your campaign, everything is fine or not, okay? And then your campaigns will be published. So in this way you guys can create campaigns in Snapchat. So always remember that you will going to have one campaign level, ad set level, and ad level, okay, in the Snapchat, okay? In campaign level you have to define the objective, what you want. For example, traffic, you want video views, you want lead generation. In ad set you guys can just do targeting, okay? For example, if I just show you, you can see in the campaign level you can just define the goal, appropriate goal, you want video views or what, okay? In ad set you guys have to define the targeting, how much you want to spend, which location to target, which ad group to target. And in the ad you guys just have to design your campaign which will show to the end user or your targeted audience, where your targeted audience can see your ad and they can place the order for that, okay? So it's super simple to create Snapchat ads, okay? Let's also create a different type of campaign. For example, let's now create about lead generation. So lead generation is a type of campaign where you ask your customers about their informations, okay? For example, like this, you can see, you can just ask the customer, you know, name, their email address, okay, full name, and they can submit the order. So these details you will going to get, okay? So you can just send these details to maybe your marketing team, and your marketing team can contact this person and they can try to sell your product and service, okay? So lead generations campaign are also very easy. Just click on create ads, click on advanced create option, start over. Now lead generation you have to select, name your campaign, click on the next button. So whatever you campaign you will going to set, it will almost be, you know, same, okay? Then you can just define your ad set name as well, okay? You can just set the same thing, budget, which audience, location you want to target, which we have already shown you guys. The only difference will be in the ad, where you guys can just upload the same things, like, okay, which we have told you, like brand name, let's say pizza lovers. By the way, you can just name your ad, okay, pizza lovers, maybe same thing. I can, let's say, copy this one, okay. Headline you can just put, okay. Creative, if you already have, let's take the same one, which is this one, okay. So after people will going to see this ad, they will click on this sign up form, and after they will click on this sign up form, this type of form will going to open, where the person can provide your first name, last name, and they can submit the details, okay? So you can just put or do the form settings here, what details you want. For example, I want to capture first name, last name, email. You can even, let's say, capture the, you know, address as well, okay, of your customer, because it's a pizza one, if you want to. So according to your business, you can just ask your customers. You can also ask to the phone number as well, okay? You can just you know, do like this, okay. And then just provide your privacy policy, okay? So every website, even the landing page you will going to have, will have some, you know, privacy policy. So I will just going to copy this privacy policy link and I will just paste it over here. You can design your form if you want to, okay? Okay, so that's it. Not compulsory. You can show the disclaimer as well about the terms and condition. You can just say about little bit about terms and condition, like this information we will use to uh, contact you for order maybe. Okay, so whatever it is, just do that and that's it, and just click on review and publish. Then your this lead generation campaign will also get published. Okay, so people can see your ad, they can click on the sign up button, and then they will going to get this form where they can put the details, they can submit it, and you will going to get the informations. Okay, so that's how you guys can create the lead campaigns very easily in the Snapchat ads. Okay, if you just click on this manage ads, so this is a complete fresh account for teaching purpose. So after you will going to create some campaign, so here you will going to see various details, like you will going to see how many clicks you are getting. Okay, how many let's say clicks you are getting, how many impressions you are getting. Okay, even if you want some data, so you can also search for that data over here. Okay, for example, let's take some data like let's say you want to see the total impression for the campaign. Okay, not paid impression. You can even just drag it here as well. Okay, so you can also do that. So for your campaign you will see the data, like how many impressions you are getting, how many clicks you are getting. And in case if you don't know about this metric, so you can just ask, you can see these are all metrics. Okay, so you guys can see these are all the metrics which will going to help you to see how your campaigns are performing. And there are a lot many of them, so it's not possible for us to explain you all, but they are very simple, like amount spent, so it will tell you how much amount has been spent on your campaign. Delivery status, it will tell you that your campaign's in the review or it's running. Okay, like that. It will name the campaign, that means what is the name of the campaign. Impression, let's say if you don't know about impressions, so you can ask to chat gpt itself, hey, can you explain me about total impression metrics in Snapchat ads? Try to make me understand in simple and easy way with examples. Okay, so now you can see ChatGPT will going to teach you with examples what different metrics are. Like in our case, we have asked to ChatGPT about the impression. Okay, so in this way you can get the explanation and you can just ask ChatGPT about anything. Okay, so in this way you guys can ask it, and you after you will publish your campaigns, or your campaigns will show up here, and you can see the metrics and analyze which metrics is doing great or not. And whatever questions you have, you can always ask to ChatGPT. It will really going to help you out. Okay, but teaching about the Snapchat and how Snapchat ads work, it's very simple and easy to do. Okay, a lot many things in this free course. Now we have lot many pro things, like you can see we have different types of campaigns in the Snapchat ads. Along with that, if you will just see here, we have some pixels. Okay, concepts of pixels. So basically pixels helps to track our website visitors. Okay, so there are many things which is not possible, as we have told earlier as well. Okay, but in free course, whatever we have just taught you regarding the Snapchat ads is 100% sufficient. Okay, but still if you want to go ahead and make yourself master in Snapchat ads, then what I will going to suggest you guys to open a new tab and just search for KuKu courses in the browser. Okay, then you will end up seeing this website here, that is kukucourses.com. just go to this website, And from this website, if you will just go to the website, just click at the top menu which is courses, just click on that, and then you guys will going to see we have this particular course, Snapchat ads. Okay, so it's basically a pro course, master class if you want to become, you know, expert in Snapchat ads. In case if you don't see this course over here, so you can just search for Snapchat on the search result, and then you will going to get the result. So you can just click on this particular course, and then you guys will going to see this is the course we have, and this course is of 3 hours course. Okay, so basically this is a pro course. Here you will going to see you can just learn lot many things like, okay, like event tracking, events, okay, audience targeting, and different types of campaign how you can create, like if you will just see here, in the pro course we will also going to teach you about catalog sale campaigns, website conversions campaign, video views campaign, and many more. So basically this is a complete pro course. If you guys are interested, you can just take the benefit of this course. So basically in our website we provide all the courses inside membership. So if you will just see here, if you just open our courses tab, so here you can see we have a lot many courses like LinkedIn ads course, complete of 4 hours course. Okay, we have a Pinterest ads course, we have Google ads course, we have, you know, and plenty many course like build SaaS tools, like artificial intelligence. Okay, and if you just go here, you can build your own real estate website, chat GPT plugins, and there are tons and tons of amazing course that will really going to benefit you. So within our website you will not going to access only Snapchat ads, but along with that you can access to our, you know, amazing courses which are very much premium and can help you to build lots of value and knowledge from our website. So basically all these courses which you guys can see, it's under membership. So basically if you will click at the top in the membership section, you guys will able to see we have a 2 membership plan, that is yearly plan as well as lifetime plan. Okay, so after you will going to scroll down, you will see this video which is how to buy guide, and if you are interested with the lifetime plan, you can just get it for the 50% off. So to get 50% off in the lifetime plan, you guys can just go ahead and watch this complete video, because inside this video we have revealed the secret how you can just access the lifetime plan for the 50% discount, by the way. Okay, but still if you want to go even with yearly plan or a lifetime plan, but still we guys suggest you guys to watch this video. It's not complicated like if you buy from the e-commerce website, so same procedure we have, but still we recommend our students before they purchase anything, just watch our how to buy guide. Okay, just for a proper understanding and nothing else. So after you will going to purchase the membership, so you can access all the courses including the Snapchat ads masterclass course, which is this course. Okay, and you will really going to love it. Okay, and you will really going to enjoy it. So this is what I just wanted to tell you. If you want to become, you know, master in Snapchat ads, so this is the course which you have to proceed further. It will really going to help you out. Okay, so make sure you just explore our website. It will really going to help you out. Okay.